Hi, in this tutorial, we will show you how to share password Wi-Fi using Android smartphone. In here, we have the smartphone. In the smartphone one, we have connected into Wi-Fi. And if we want to share Wi-Fi password, we can just click in settings menu. In here, okay, we can click. In the setting menu, just choose Wi-Fi. On your setting of your smartphone, you can click Wi-Fi and then you can share password that you connected into Wi-Fi. You can click first, tap to share password like this. Voila. Now, in the other smartphone, you must download barcode scanner, or if you already have barcode scanner, this is the requirements. You can scan the appear of pop-up for Wi-Fi password. I will show you. This is my barcode scanner and you can download in Play Store. In here, by Gamma Play, my scanner, you can click open after install. In here, you can see there. This is my Wi-Fi password. And this is my network password name that I share from this smartphone. Hope this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.